Hi guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to tell you I made a forum on Google Groups about my channel and computers. So if you wanted to join, you can. If you don't know what Google Groups already is, it's a website where you can make your own forums and open discussions. So I might show you how to make one today. And join Scientech Sorcerer Coding channel. You can search it up, all groups and messages. You can search up any group on the web that they made. Sorcerer, depending on the what's it called, the privacy settings. I changed mine to anybody can search it up. Coding channel, but anybody can't just randomly join. You have to ask. See, coding channel. Go to this group. Go to this one. This is my old one. Go to this one. So I'm just gonna click new conversation. Hi and welcome. Hey guys, welcome to the club. Post message. And you guys can do message, and the admins of groups can ban people, set managers, like mods. So I'm gonna get a few mods here. I'm gonna set up a few mods. So let me now tell you how to make your own group. Go back to my groups. I'm gonna delete this one, the coding club one. Go to the coding channel one. I'm gonna delete this. Go to group settings. Delete. I'm just gonna delete my old one. So let me teach you how to make a new one. Create group name. I'm just gonna make mine test group because I'm just showing y'all how to do this. Next. Test group. I don't know. This next. You can set your privacy settings. I'm not gonna change the privacy settings since I'm just showing you this. So anyone on the web can search it, or anyone can ask, or anyone can just join. Next. And then you can just push directly on members, group owners, and then push create group. I'm not a robot, and create group. Test group 1551. So that's how to create your own group on Google Groups. Be sure to join my group, Scientech Sorcerer Coding channel, and I might let you join. Let's try searching it up. Coding, it's a public group, not private group. Go to this and you can be like, you can push ask to join, then it'll pending and I can let you join. Bye guys.